How to write IELTS essays, body paragraphs, supporting and extending the ideas. Main idea: teaching young ones to be a good member of the society is widely thought to be the parents' responsibility. Support: more specifically, in the formative years, parents have a great influence on children, and the best way parents can teach children how to be responsible member of the society is by setting good example before their children by behaving responsibly. Extend: for example, if parents educate their children about the importance of good manners, obeying laws and sharing the values of the society, they will be inculcating proper value system in their children. For best online IELTS training, www.onlineieltspreparation.com